What I wish I knew about digital parenting in the age of AI, instead of relying solely on traditional methods. Welcome to the new world of digital parenting, where technology is no longer just a tool, it's a companion. From smart toys that talk back, to AI nannies with emotions, can love be coded? Today, AI isn't just enhancing our lives, it's transforming how we raise our children. Imagine a world where personalized learning experiences are the norm and safety monitoring is smarter than ever. But wait, would you trust a robot with your child's heart? Rhetorical questions make us think. Are we ready for AI to play such a vital role in our children's lives? The benefits are immense, but so are the ethical dilemmas. So, let's talk. Dive deep into the world of digital parenting with AI. Watch the full story now and discover how technology can empower us, yet never replace the irreplaceable human touch.